The most important thing a hotel provides is a comfortable place to sleep. At Ovolo, our ethos is effortless living. The thing is, effortless takes effort. 7 layers of effort. This is how to make a bed the Ovolo way. Layer 1, a custom designed mattress. Layer 2, giving the mattress a oomph, is the feather down mattress topper. Layer 3, Mattress Protector. Layer 4, the softest bed sheets, giving soft a whole new meaning. Layer 5 and 6, a fluffy, feather down duvet wrapped up in those same 400 thread count bed sheets. Layer 7, 4 luxurious down pillows. Layer 8, a bonus layer, get cozy on demand with a body pillow.